Hello! We'll learn how to use Shape Tween in this tutorial. Shape Tween are the frames that come between two shapes. That is when one shape animates and changes to another shape. So get ready. Click for the new document. Select the square first. For that, use the shortcut key R. When drawn with the default color, name the layer as Square. Insert a keyframe on the 50th frame by pressing F6. We will modify the square at this key. Let's scale up the square. For that, use the shortcut key Ctrl+Alt+S. We scaled up by giving it a value of 200. At the same key, also change the position of the square object. You can move wherever you want. Also change the color of the square on the 50th frame. We are done with the changes and it's time to create a shape tween. For that, select the frames between 1 and 50 and click on Create Shape Tween and see the animation. Notice how the square at the first key smoothly morphs into other square at the 50th frame. Here, add a new layer. Before we go ahead, lock and hide the square layer. Name the new layer as Circle. Select the Oval tool and draw a circle on the new layer. We'll do the same as done for Square object. Insert a new keyframe on frame number 50 and change the size and position of the circle. Select the in-between frames and again create a shape tween. Here, you will notice the same type of changes in the circle. Also, change the color on frame 50 from Color Palette. Here, we have chosen red. And now when you play, you can see the smooth morphing of the green circle to the red big circle. It's time to see how a circle converts into a square. For that, we draw a circle on the first key, insert a blank keyframe, press F7 on frame number 50. Draw a square at a different position there. Once more, create shape tween selecting the in-between frames. Now, watch the morphing of the circle into the square. Keep playing and checking the movement. We are now also changing the color of the square to blue. Circle is in red and the square is in blue. Along with the shape and position, the color is also changing smoothly. These are the basics of shape tween. Select and convert the object into a symbol. For that, you can go to Modify, Convert to Symbol, or simply press F8. We name it Square_02. Double-click and go inside the Square_02 symbol. Select the object and confirm that the graphic is broken. Remember, Shape Tween never works on groups or directly on symbols. Coming back, add a keyframe at frame 35. Here, at 35, we'll modify the look of the object completely. You can modify it as you like. You'll notice that the shape is morphing from first to last key, but the morphing is not pleasing at all. To get control over how we want the shape to morph into the next shape, we are going to add shape hints. Go to Menu Modify, Shape, Add Shape Hints, or find shortcut key in front of it, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus H. After that, you can see 4 shape hints already there on the 35th frame. Here, you need to place these hints exactly to the relative nodes as per first keyframe. See how we are matching the hints as per their naming and follow it. You'll also notice that once the hint meets the proper corner, it turns to green. Now, exit the symbol and extend the frames till 35, and the shape is animating very nicely. When you keep studying the animation, you will come to know how shape hints can change the look of the animation. Let us see one more effective animation using shape tween hints. Take new flash file again. Draw a circle on the blank stage and convert it to a symbol. Name it circle_01. Extend the frames to 35. You can extend them more if you like. Now, double-click to enter the symbol, and the first thing you need to do is to break the graphic. As already learned, Shape Tween doesn't work on a group of objects. Insert a keyframe on the 35th frame, or whatever frame you want to extend the length of the animation to, and create a shape tween between the two keys. Here, we have not changed the shape of the object on any of the keys. Now, on the first keyframe, add a shape hint A. Go to Menu Modify, Shape, Add Shape Hint, or simply press shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus H. Place the hint A as shown in the video. We need one more hint, so press Ctrl plus Shift plus H and get hint B. Place it the same way as shown. Now it's time to place the A and B hints on the other keyframe. But here, we'll place them parallel to each other on opposite directions. Notice that without changing the shape, this animation is the result of just 2 shape hints. So, you can explore the technique more and experiment with different shapes so that you will understand this better. Let's start with the new assignment for using Shape Tween technique. Here, we'll animate the box with the help of Shape Tween hints. Let's start with a new flash file. Draw an exact square using the rectangle tool. Shortcut key R. Select that square. Now go to Modify, Convert to Symbol, and name it square_1. Now it's a graphic symbol. Double-click to enter the symbol and break that square graphic. Inside the symbol itself, add a new layer. As you see, we are copying the single left-sided outline and pasting at the same position on the new layer. To paste at the exact position, use the option Menu Edit, Paste in Place. Now, on the timeline, extend the frames till 35 for both the layers. Check that layer 1 contains the square and layer 2 contains a single line. On both layers, we'll add new keyframes at 35. Apply Shape Tween to layer 1. Add two shape hints A, B on the first key of the square. See that we are placing hint A at the top left corner and hint B at the bottom left corner. Now, time to place them on frame number 35. Place them exactly on the opposite corners. Hint B at the bottom right corner, hint A at the top right corner, and you will notice while playing it gives us a feel of the box. Hide the layer 2 and check again. This is something really amazing. Let's give it a more realistic touch. Put the square layer in the wireframe mode and select the single line on layer 2. On the 35th frame, shift the line to the opposite end of the square. Match the line to the square's rightmost outline. Create Shape Tween for layer 2. And now you can see the preview. Put the square on the normal mode. Yes, we are completely done with this. Here, you will notice that the movement of the single line gives the detailing to the box animation. Exit the symbol and extend the frames up to 35. It gives a feel of a rotating box. This assignment was done only with the help of Shape Tween hints. Simple techniques with effective results. Try to experiment with your own shapes and get a good understanding of the techniques. Thank you.